I'm 8 years old, studying in SJKC 2016. I'm in Minda Chega's grade 8 daycare center. Today I'm going to show you my new invention called solar fan. This is a very special fan because it uses free energy to work. Let me show you how it works. This is the solar panel. It absorbs sunlight and generates electricity. Electricity will power the motor and turn this fan blade so you can enjoy the breeze from the fan. Let me demonstrate to you. This is a halogen light. It is like a sun. When it shines on it, the solar panel will convert the sunlight into electricity. It is called photoelectric effect. The stronger the sunlight, the more power it generates. This is a very special fan. You can use it outdoor during picnic or camping in the remote area. You can use it during sunny day even without a power plug. This solar fan uses solar renewable energy. Not only good for our environment, it also saves electric costs. Thank you for listening to my presentation.